Hello everyone, welcome back to the place as Ishal speaks messages Gypsy Witch Tarot. This is for Gemini and Libra, though timeless readings, and it depends upon your timelines and situations how it is going for you. Okay, so I have already laid out your format just to save in a little bit of time, though I'm very fast in shuffling and all that stuff, but that was the call. So I decided to do that. Okay, so the layout is already here. You got 8 cards from Crystal Visions and 1 card from this Gypsy deck here. Okay, so I'm going to start, and the message that is coming for you. I'm seeing here as if someone is letting the other person kind of win. Okay, it's like a win-win situation, which is about even if you lose that particular situation, it won't be hurting you anymore. I mean, this is going to be the process where the one person, possible this is you, okay, you are letting the other person go, like a move on energy, or you are separating your energies from this person or situation so that it will not hurt you anymore, any longer. Okay, but to overcome whole of the situations, you have to, or whole of the situations, sorry, not situations, you also have to understand that while you will say adios to this, you are going to get little bit of ache and pain inside. You are getting 5 of Swords energy, but you're also getting, it's like a your beyond future kind of energy with the 6 of Wands. It's like either one person is feeling that I'm on the winning part and all that, but it's exactly not the case. It's like you are letting it go, you are letting the person win. I do see that. Okay, just give me a second. I'm going to be using this I'm going to be shuffling in front of you. This is Angel's deck here, a small cute little pocket edition. Okay, you're getting the bottom energies already as beginnings, so it's life is a series of cycles and the parameters you are following up, the things that you are going out. Okay, for some cases it's going to be it's going to be the rest time. Okay, I also see like you are congratulating the other energy, and it doesn't matter to you anymore. It's like saying adios to them, regardless you know that you are getting hurt, but it's kind of feel like when you open up your arms to let the other person go and release them totally so that they can go, because they cannot be with you in this particular zone wherein they are not even considering that when they are hurting you, kind of they are not seeing that you are actually, your heart is bleeding or it's paining and it's aching, and you are just turning your back here and then the other person is doing that stuff. I feel like it was kind of like competition to win over or whatever happened here. Okay, but that is like your also your future call, future vibe, wherein you are letting go and you are also saying okay fine, because this is someone who is taking the step, a step or the step back from the if it is about the marriage concept or something. Okay, getting this flip, that's the message. Imagination. Now the message written is thoughts are the building bricks of life. I do feel that there was a lot of imagination regarding some particular energy here or situation, and someone thought that we are reaching to the point, we are going to be winning this situation together, and that is actually not the case. Okay, thoughts are the building bricks of life, for everything begins with a thought, and creativity to thoughts, and you have imagination. Every castle starts as a castle in the air. This image is then grounded by architects and builders. The angels are inviting you to use the power of your creative imagination to expand your horizons and picture the life you want. So, when you hold a vision, the angels see the clarity of your intention and open doors to help you. The angel wisdom guides you to decide your desired outcomes. Be certain that you have the purest intentions. But I do feel that there is someone who is not having purest intentions, and I do see that you have the purest intentions wherein you are letting go of many things. Remember, these are general readings, so may go in reverse as well. The last sentence is, then imagine your dreams and start the process of creation. I do feel that this was a setback in some sort of communication, or the person with whom you dreamt, or someone who promised you something, but kind of like you are letting someone win in the situation. So that might be going with your imagination contained with this particular energy or situation. Okay, you're again getting the beginnings. So for some cases this is going to be the hard time that you are releasing. 5 of Swords is also someone who was not promising here. or you felt little cold on the shoulder, and now you are going to be having in your mind that Six of Wands energy, wherein you're going to be having the imagination and you're going to make your things come true even if the support is not there. I see like your lone journey kind of, wherein you are moving on with a decision, wherein you will no longer be confused or at a crossroads kind of, and then you're going to hit it. Okay, so that's why you have the beginnings. Also at the bottom energy, life is a series of cycles and a time of rebirth is indicated for you. Of course, after imagination and considering this whole aspect, this may mean a new phase in a relationship, the germination of a fresh idea, or the development of qualities in you like laughter, light, or hope. It may herald a total change. I won't lie, I was reading the laughter and I picked up daughter. I don't know why. Possible you have one or you are the one. Do not be afraid to let go of the familiar, for the new cannot enter until the old and outward has departed. So we are so right. You can work on your imagination, you can work on your building up of something only when you let the old go. Your angel guidance is to accept the new, for it will be welcome and when it arrives. Birth is a vulnerable time. The fragile life force needs to be protected and nurtured within you. Ask the angels to guide the new beginning in your life safely to maturity. Oh. I don't know why I am seeing here, you imagine kind of some things. If you're not married but you were in love and love living or something kind of like that, I see like someone is taking a step back, like shrugging their responsibility or something. Is it like something is being left with you? If you're a female energy, this is something like being left with you, the message with you, the secret with you. It's like the secret that you will digest and then move on with something. Sorry, I'm having a little itchy. It's very hot here. Okay, you got a lot of cards here anymore. Something is not anymore or not going to be anymore. I'm sorry for that. You are also getting the bottom energy as the Anchor. The Anchor denotes successful ventures in business and love, and so this is like when you do it as a layout and all. I do read it different, so if you're new to this channel you will know that. So this is the Anchor. I do feel that you're taking a halt a little bit before you make a big move here. That is connected with the imagination, and beneath it is also the card of Queen of Spades energy, Amore, and this is, as you can see, possible someone got hurt or is getting hurt with the truth or something like that. So Amore is a sign that someone is looking at you with great love and longing. So possible there is someone who's looking at you. I picked up daughter as well, so possible a child. Can be regardless of the gender, but I see here something is connected with Five of Pentacles and Anchor. You stopped for some time before you could make a move, because you're also getting the first card as Five of Pentacles. And this lady is holding a child. We don't know he or she, but is holding a child. There is a big move here definitely coming. And the card that flipped out from this, which is Six of Spades, which is Six of Swords. When you look in the tarot, it's a move, but it's a card of mice, okay? And mouse, sorry. Mouse denotes loss by theft. Nearby denotes recovery after great difficulty. But distant, the loss will be wrong with the pronunciation. Irretrievable. I'm sorry, irretrievable, because they are having this slash and the dashes between. Well, whatever it is, Six of Swords is a sign of definitely better move here. Regardless, you know that there is something that's like poking, something that's hurting you. You're coming from this place. I already told you your future cards. It's about the Six of Wands. It's about overcoming Five of Swords energy. It's about imagination and new beginnings, completing one circle. Especially with this, there is a move that's coming here for sure. You are heading towards, I'll show you the cards first and then I'll continue with the story. Eight of Wands energy here, right after Five of Pentacles. Then you have Two of Wands energy here. Then you have Four of Wands beneath. Okay, you have Nine of Cups. You're dealing with a karmic circle here definitely. And then Temperance. I don't know why you're looking at something and making a potion, like kind of like you're looking at something like this, and then you're making something, you're mixing it up, and you're making some sort of potion before you make a big move here. Okay, so that's what your decision you are going to be, and you will be making a better decision here. It's about the decision between the two. So this could be amore, someone is looking at you with lust. This could be a new relationship you are heralding, or this might be something connected with just the decision of move. Okay, I see move on, like a, how we say it, as like maybe a move out from the home or something. People are, or they are planning from last 4 months or so this concept, and now they are going to be actually making way out. I see that there is something that's consistently hurting you. This could be the abuse, this could be the not so right words here, whatever it is. With the 8 of Wands energy, the energies will be very much fastened up, and they will be very much full of kind of like storm in the hoof. Okay, so all the horses are running, and before they are going to be completing something connected with 9 of Cups energy here. The news that's entering your world. Okay, it's about the decision about your home, some sort of communication happening here. Recording time 11:11, so decision about something here definitely. And the Temperance is about making arrangements here. That's what I see. This is also Sagittarius card. So this might be the decision between the one you're dealing or dealt, and decision that you are going to be doing in the midst of a fire sign and a water sign here. You might be dealing with a Aries, Leo, Sagittarius possible, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially looking at the Temperance. So this is some sort of decision that you are heralding on to. Okay, completing one circle here definitely, especially with the 5 of Pentacles and 2 of Wands energy. It's going to be very fast. It's going to be unimaginable or shocked one for the other person. I also see someone stopping you, but you won't be. It's like you have to take out time for yourself to make amends, and also for your own sake, and balancing out a lot of things here. I hope that this will help you guys. Take care. I love you. See you soon. Bye.